Hi students, I am Samiksha and we are discussing solutions to CEED 2023 paper. So this is question number 34, MCQ question. Let's see what it is saying. So you can see a complete box with different figures into it, right? We have to find this missing figure. So there has to be certain characteristics. Now in terms of color, if we check, there isn't any particular pattern that you can see. So what I can do is, these are geometrical figures, right? So let's count the number of sides each figure is having. This is 6. Let me change the color so it's visible. This is 6, 5, 3 and the circle, let's take it as 1. So if I add 6, this is 5 and 4, 6 and 4, that would give me 10, plus 5, it's giving me 15. Similarly, 4 and 4, 8, 8 and 3, that will give me 11, and 11 and 3, that would give me 14. Next, 4, 1, 5. This is 5, so 10 and another 5, this is giving me 15. And for the final one, it's 1 and then 3 and this is 6. So basically the addition comes out to be 10 plus some question mark. Okay, currently I might feel it is 15, 14, 15. So the next figure might be 4, so that is 14. But hold on, we'll have to check from both the sides. Now if I check horizontally, 6 and 4 is 10, 10 and this 5, this is giving me 15. Okay, this is 5 and 4 and 1. This will give me 10 plus question mark, we are not sure. Then 3 and 3 is 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 5, that is giving me 14. And then 3 and 1, that is 4. 6, 10 and this is giving me 15. So please note, there is no alternate section that I can see. Like when you go on vertically, you will see 15, 14, you will see 15, 14. But horizontally, if you check, it's 15 and 14. Now this immediate one cannot be again 14, right? Because if I'm talking about alternate pattern, then this had to be 15 and the top one to be 14. If I try from top to bottom also, that is not following that pattern. Getting me? So that tells me that this question mark, where I have a confusion of it being 4 or 5, it cannot be 4. Why? Because then successively two similar numbers are coming together, that is particularly 14. So which is why I'll go with 5. And 5 sides, the figure that is available is option C. So C should be the correct answer to this question. Got it everyone? So that's it with the question. Thank you.